Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily disable or turn off your laptop built-in keyboard. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go to your browse explorer, and then you will see this PC option. Just right click on that and go to manage, and after that you will see this window will appear in front of you. Now you need to click on device manager. After that, here you will see keyboard option, and you will see standard PS/2 keyboard. Right click on it and click on update driver, and after that you need to click on browse my computer, and after that you have to click on browse. No, you have to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Just click on it, and after that you have to uncheck this show compatible hardwares, and then you will have a lot of manufacturer here. Just select one of them, whatever you want to select, just select it, the model, and after that click on next. It will ask you the warning, don't worry about this. Just click on yes, and here you see Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and after that it will ask you to restart your computer. So in my case I'm not going to do it right now, because if I click on yes, the recording will stop immediately. So I just want to tell you that you have to click on yes, and after that your PC will restart, and after that your internal keyboard, built-in keyboard will not work, and you can just attach an external keyboard to that laptop and you are good to go. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.